Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your go-to channel for classic car reviews, in-depth automotive insights, and everything vintage on wheels. In this video, we dive into the stylish, bold, and unforgettable 1960 Ford Thunderbird, a car that defined an era and still turns heads more than 6 decades later. The 1960 Thunderbird, also known as the Square Bird due to its boxier design compared to its predecessor, marked the final year of the second-generation Thunderbird. This model was Ford's answer to the growing demand for personal luxury cars in the post-war era. It was more than just a car. It was a cultural icon of its time, appealing to a clientele that wanted performance with comfort, elegance with power. Under the hood, the 1960 Thunderbird came with a standard 352 cubic inch V8 engine that delivered a respectable 300 horsepower. Ford also offered an optional 430 cubic inch V8 engine producing 345 horsepower. This was a big, bold engine for the time and allowed the Thunderbird to deliver smooth, confident acceleration whether cruising on the highway or rolling through city streets. The engine was paired with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and refined driving experience. For a car of its size and weight, the Thunderbird performed remarkably well, offering a solid combination of power and grace. The 1960 model was built on a unibody platform, a rare move in American cars at the time. This design offered greater rigidity and reduced the vehicle's weight, contributing to improved ride quality and handling. The suspension setup included independent front coil springs and rear leaf springs, providing a smooth ride that was well suited to the Thunderbird's luxury persona. Visually, the 1960 Thunderbird was a masterpiece of early 60s automotive design. Its long hood, low-slung stance, and sculpted body lines gave it an elegant yet assertive presence. The front end featured a wide, bold grille flanked by dual headlights, while the rear boasted the iconic round taillights that would become a Thunderbird signature. Chrome accents added a touch of class, wrapping around the car's body in all the right places. The car was available in both hardtop and convertible versions, catering to buyers who wanted either an enclosed cabin or the open-air experience. Inside, the Thunderbird offered a cabin that was as stylish as it was comfortable. The aircraft-inspired dashboard layout placed all controls within easy reach, and the wraparound design gave the driver a sense of being in command. The steering wheel was large and featured a horn ring, a common design of the era. The seats were wide, cushioned, and supportive, offering excellent comfort for long drives. High-quality materials like chrome, vinyl, and bright trim accents elevated the overall feel of the interior. One of the standout features of the 1960 Thunderbird was its emphasis on convenience and innovation. Power windows and power seats were available, as were advanced features like a push-button radio and an electric clock. The car also came with optional air conditioning, a premium feature at the time. Even the trunk space was impressive, offering ample room for luggage, making it ideal for weekend getaways or long road trips. The 1960 model year saw a few design refinements that distinguished it from earlier second-generation Thunderbirds. The grille pattern was revised, and new rear sheet metal gave the car a smoother look. Ford also introduced a sunroof option for the hardtop model, a unique and futuristic feature for the time. The rear seat design improved slightly, offering better comfort for passengers riding in the back. The Thunderbird's success was also reflected in its sales numbers. In 1960, Ford sold over 92,000 units, a clear indication that the model was striking the right chord with buyers. This popularity helped solidify the Thunderbird's reputation as a pioneer in the personal luxury segment. It appealed not only to performance enthusiasts but also to those who valued comfort, prestige, and design. In terms of driving experience, the 1960 Thunderbird excelled as a grand tourer. It was not a sports car in the traditional sense, but it delivered a powerful and smooth ride with plenty of torque. The steering was light, and the car felt stable even at higher speeds. The ride was quiet and refined, ideal for long highway cruises. The braking system, consisting of drum brakes all around, was standard for the era, and while not as responsive as modern systems, it provided adequate stopping power for the car's size. Today, the 1960 Thunderbird remains a sought-after classic among collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. Its timeless design, luxurious features, and strong performance make it a standout in the classic car world. Restored models often fetch high prices at auctions, and there's a dedicated community of owners who keep the Thunderbird legacy alive through car shows and enthusiast events. Parts availability is decent thanks to the car's popularity, and there are many restoration shops and suppliers catering to Thunderbird owners. Owning a 1960 Thunderbird is like owning a piece of American automotive history. It represents a time when style was as important as substance, when cars were built with a sense of identity and pride. Whether you are a collector, a fan of vintage design, or someone exploring your first classic car, the Thunderbird is a compelling choice that combines beauty, comfort, and engineering in a unique package. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at the 1960 Ford Thunderbird. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more classic car reviews, restoration tips, and automotive history, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Motorsports Menia family. Your support helps us keep the wheels turning and the stories alive.